Hey guys, so yesterday I went to Ikea for my birthday, and today we're gonna do a haul. So, I spent like 60 bucks, 55, 60, around there. So, here's what I got. This, which is a hamper. See the little picture right there, because the one that I have currently, my cat has been using as a scratching post. So, needed to fix that. And then I got this, which is like a little hanging organizer thing, and it comes with like hooks that go like on there. So you just like put it on your wall, and then like, yeah, I'm sure you get the idea. And then my favorite thing that I got is this pegboard. Okay, I got this pegboard because I've been looking to get one, and yeah, that's why. And then for the pegboard, I got 3 of these little containers to put on it. So, got 3 of those, and then I got 2 of these ones, which are like wide trays. So, we are going to unbox everything and set it all up. Also, you can see my bed. It's naked right now. I'm washing my sheets. Well, technically they're sitting in the basket over there. I haven't put them in the wash yet, but I'm gonna. Okay, I'm gonna start with this, and then we'll go from there. So, we've got the instructions, and then these, y'all like can't see what I'm doing. These are the hooks that came with it, and then this thing. Okay, these come off for that. Okie dokie. So these hang on it like that, and then the hooks go on it. Oh, I guess there's 4 hooks, not 3, but you know, same difference. Okay. I know you can't see what I'm doing, but that's okay. So, put the hooks on it, and now we need to read the instructions and figure out how to put this on the wall properly. So, why is there so many? Oh my gosh, there's so many different what's it called? Instructions. Languages. I don't know what's happening. I'm gonna try and figure this out, and then we'll put it on the wall. Okay, so it says that the first thing to do is to hold it on the wall and then trace around these so that you like know where it's gonna go. We did it. Bravo. Okie dokie. Next we're gonna do this and then put it where my other one is, right there. So, yeah. Okay, so here is the size of it and what it looks like. It was only like $5, I think. Okay, so I took this one out. As you can probably tell, it's got claw marks on it because my cat has been using it as a scratching post. So, yeah, that's fun. So now this one is here, and I'm gonna just put these clothes in there, and then we'll go to the next thing. Here is how the new one looks. Now we're gonna do the pegboard, and this is gonna be a time lapse because I said so. Okay, the pegboard is now up, so now it's time to put the things on it. So,
we're gonna do this here. And then this one here. And these. Ignore that, nothing happened. There. And then also here.
so now the pegboard and then this thing are up. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was kind of chaotic and all over the place, and I might not even post this, but I probably will. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you got some organizing inspiration from this. And if you didn't, well, then I hope you watched me struggle. And yeah, so yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.